Hello students, Unit 5, 7th Standard, Notes, English, Part 2. The names of some games and sports are given below. Write them under their respective columns. Cricket, hockey, chess, kabaddi, snake and ladder, kho-kho, carom, football and table tennis. Indoor games and outdoor games. In indoor games, chess, snake and ladder, carom, table tennis. In outdoor games, cricket, football, hockey, kabaddi, kho-kho. Lesson name is The Olympic Champion and the Ducks. Comprehension. Choose the right answer from the choices given and put a right mark against it. Bobby was dash. Bobby was an Australian. Second, Bobby's father was a dash. Bobby's father was a rowing champion. Bobby slowed his boat down because dash. Bobby slowed his boat down because he wanted to save the ducklings. Fourth one, Bobby is that kind of a bloke. This was said by Bobby's friends. Second main, based on the lesson, fill in the boxes with the correct information. Bobby Pearce was born in Sydney in Australia. First one. Second one, started rowing at the age of 6. Third one, he won first race. Fourth one, completed in the Olympic Games in 1928. Fifth one, completed in the Olympic Games against Mayors. Sixth one, saved the lives of brood of ducklings. Third main, answer the following questions. How did Bobby become interested in rowing? Answer. At the Olympic Games of 1928, Bobby Pearce won a gold medal in rowing. He also won the hearts of all who saw him win. Second question. What instances in the lesson will tell you that Bobby was interested in rowing right from his childhood? Answer. Bobby Pearce was born in Sydney in Australia. His father was a great rowing champion. When Bobby was 5, he was rowing around the Sydney harbour in a small boat. At the age of 6, he won his first race, competing against 14-year-olds. Third question. Bobby shot down his boat during the rowing race to save the ducklings. What quality or qualities of Bobby do you admire? Answer. He won many titles in rowing. Bobby Pearce is always remembered as the man who stopped rowing for ducks at the Olympic Games. In 1928 Olympics, while on the final course of rowing, he saw a duck and her brood of ducklings swimming across the canal. They were swimming into the course of his boat, and the boat was going to run into them. The poor birds had no idea that they were in the middle of an Olympic race. Immediately, Bobby slowed his boat down. Mears was catching up very fast, but Bobby waited patiently until all the ducklings were out of harm's way. Then he picked up speed again and went on to win the race easily. Of all the Olympic heroes, it was he who won everybody's hearts. His friends in the Australian Olympic team were not surprised with that incident. Bobby is that kind of a bloke, they said. Vocabulary. Fourth main. Complete the following passage by filling in the right words given in the box. Change the form of the words wherever necessary. An example is given: drive, ride, row, draw, fly. Ram has a boat, he rows it. His brother has a motorbike, he dash it, he ride it. His sister has a car, she dash it. His sister has a car, she drive it. His father is a pilot, he dash an aeroplane. His father is a pilot, he fly an aeroplane. And his servant has a cart, and he dash it. And his servant has a cart, and he draw it. Fifth main. Complete the following sentences by choosing the right words given in brackets. First one. I have to dash in a queue to check my dash. I have to wait in queue to check my weight. WAIT wait means ಕಾಯೋದು. WEIGHT weight means ತೂಕ. Second one, my brother dash medals in school sports, 2 gold and dash silver. My brother won medals in school sports, 2 gold and 1 silver. C. Dash checkup camp is held every dash in my school. Ear checkup camp is held every year in my school. EAR ear, YEAR ear. Fourth one, my mother stood dash the road to dash vegetables. My mother stood by the road to buy vegetables. BY by BUY by. Language in use. Sixth main, read the following sentence. Suddenly, Bobby saw a duck and her brood of ducklings swimming across the canal. Look at the underlined word. It is used to refer to a group of ducklings. These are called collective nouns. Now, fill in the blanks with the collective nouns given in the box. Flock, class, army, bunch, herd. First one, a dash of students was waiting for the teacher. A class of students was waiting for the teacher. Second one, a dash of elephants was eating sugarcane. A herd of elephants was eating sugarcane. Third one, I met a dash of soldiers in Kashmir. I met a army of soldiers in Kashmir. Fourth one, a dash of sheep was grazing in the field. A flock of sheep was grazing in the field. Fifth one, my father kept a dash of keys on the table. My father kept a bunch of keys on the table. Seventh main, look at the following sentences. First one, when Bobby was 5, he was rowing around the Sydney harbour in a small boat. Bobby saw a duck and her brood of ducklings swimming across the canal. The underlined words around and across indicate position. They are called prepositions. Eighth main, look at the picture and complete the sentences with correct prepositions given in the small bubble. First one, the TV is dash the desk. The TV is on the desk. Second one, the boy is standing dash the TV. The boy is standing near the TV. The water is dash the jug. The water is in the jug. The fridge is dash the door. The fridge is beside the door. The sofa is dash the fridge and the boy. The sofa is between the fridge and the boy. The pen is dash the sofa. The pen is under the sofa. Spoken English. Ninth main. Observe how Vivek talks about himself and his family. I am Vivek. I am 11 years old. This is my father, Mr. Mohit. He is 40 years old. He is the eldest member of our family. Meet my mother, Sadhana. She is 35 years old. Here is my brother Suhas, who is 13 years old. He is older than me by 2 years. The girl sitting at the table is my sister Sunita. She is 8 years old. She is younger to me by 3 years. Now you talk about you and your family in the way Vivek did. Begin like this. I am Aisha. I am 10 years old. This is my father, Mr. Siraj. He is 45 years old. He is the oldest member of our family. Meet my mother, Farhana. Listening, post listening activity. Teacher to read the text aloud to the class. Listen to your teacher as she or he reads about Sachin Tendulkar and then answer the questions that follow. Hi, I am Sachin Tendulkar. I am from Maharashtra. I have played cricket for India for 24 years. I began playing international cricket when I was just 16. So far, I have played in 200 test matches. After my retirement, I was honored with the Bharat Ratna. First question, who is the speaker? Answer, Sachin Tendulkar is the speaker. Second one, which state does he belong to? Answer, Maharashtra state he belongs to. Third one, what game did he play? He played cricket. Fourth one, at what age did he begin his international career? Fifth question, what was the award given to him? Bharat Ratna award given to him. Answer, he began playing international cricket when he was just 16. Tenth main, this is the symbol of the Olympic Games. With the help of this, write the answers for the following questions. First question, how many rings are there in the symbol? 5 symbols. How many continents does each circle represent? 5 continents. Which continent does your country belong to? Asia. What do you understand by the symbol? Unity. Fifth question, which of the following proverbs best describes the above symbol? United we stand, divided we fall. Read the following passage and complete the flow chart. Narendra Nath is the boyhood name of Swami Vivekananda. Vishwanath Datta was his father and Bhuvaneshwari Devi was his mother. He learnt Puranas from his mother. He was an all-rounder. He was good at sports and he could sing well. He liked to meditate. Sri Ramakrishna was his teacher. Narendranath, Swami Vivekananda's name, another name. Vishwanath Datta, father. Bhuvaneshwari Devi, mother. Puranas, he wrote. His guru, Sri Ramakrishna, good at sport, meditate, and teacher.